move on a little bit, and we're going to start looking at your title deeds. Okay, so again, you would have seen, and don't follow me, I just want to show you, you would have seen we have up to now found a property, and linked to that property is a whole lot of information that that's already provided or that we've uploaded. One of the things that's provided is the ownership data, the title deed data, okay, for that specific property, and you can at any point in time click on that and then find the more detailed information for that specific of the title deed, the title deed number, when it's purchased, registered, the price, the extent, etc., and any sellers that are available. But often you don't want to just have it for one property, you want to search across your entire deeds data set. Okay. The way that you would do that is you have got a title deed search button. Okay. So if you select the title deed search button, you've got an entire filter dedicated. So I'm not currently, sorry, just a bit of background, I'm not taking you through each one of these filter items. It's in the help documentation, and some of them are pretty straightforward. Okay, so I'm just trying to highlight the key ones. So here you can, let's do a simple one, and we start looking, no, not date added, sorry, registered date. We go to registered date, and we jump back to, let's do it from September last year, 1st September to, let's, beginning 1 January. So you want to see all transfers 1st of September to 1 January. Okay, and you say select, and then maybe I've made it, maybe my list is a bit big. So yes, there's all your transfers. There's 20,000 of them. You can actually just make 1 September to end of September, or the data is current up to end of February, I think, at the moment. Okay. So what you've now done is just straight search all transfers for the entire city in that period of time. Okay. I'm going to just maybe, if you want to refine your search now, you just click on the little funnel again. Maybe just going to make my set a little bit smaller so that it's a bit more manageable. So I'm only going to work in September, and there you go. We'll see how many transfers there are in September. Yeah, I think we also, yeah, there you go. So there's 4,800. And as you look at this data, you will notice that the black is the current owner. In other words, the current owner, the current valid owner. The orange is the seller, okay, the previous owner. And so those are listed together. Now, often you don't want to see the seller's data or the previous owner's data, and so the way to filter that out would be just to click on the funnel and then just say current yes. So I only want to see the current people. If you only want to see the sellers, you just say no, and it will only show the sellers. Okay, so just a little yes no type format just to get you to what you want to see. You can export it, yes. That export button is available. You can happily, that's why I took you through the exports a bit earlier on. It will do the same thing here. You go and click on export, it exports all the data out for you in an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so this is now sort of the very basic one that you can do. You can obviously now go and refine this. So if you want to just see all the registered properties in these date ranges, let's say in 4 ways. Okay, there's 4 ways, and now I can go and select do the filter again, and I'm going to get all the transfers in 4 ways for that. There's 33 in that specific month. Okay.
It will include also sectional title.
It's title. This is title deeds. It searches through all title deeds. Okay. All records. Yes. So this is a good example. No, you'll see. So there's a ST, there's a sectional title. Yeah. Okay. So, and the first ones are also sectional title. So again, if you select any one of these records, you will notice the property link is always there. Okay, so if you want to get back to your land parcel information, you click on the property link, it then gets you to properties, then back to the land parcel, and you're back to that familiar screen where everything is taken together. Okay, so once again, we've entered via title deeds, ended up with the property information and can get to the valuation data. So now there's, like I said, many doors we've entered via the title deed door currently. So what you can also do again is if you've searched all the transfers in February for 4 ways, I've got 33, there's the GIS button available for you. You can go and see where they are located, and that will, there they are in yellow highlighted for me, and so you can get an idea. This is the first little part of what you want to see, that you'll see next week. Okay, probably the basic way of searching for that. Okay. Okay. And so depending on which layers you've set up, you will see your screen will slightly be different to mine. Yeah. But the principle is, remember the GIS button is there, you can view your subset. Obviously, if you're going to want to see the 20,000 transfers and you want to view it in the GIS, you're going to wait for a little while. So I think always be sensible in what your expectations are of the search. Okay. Okay.
Carl,
Yes.
I see you displaying the sales,
Yes.
which is very nice. If I got any subject property, say Arab, whatever in that township issue, is there a mechanism where you guys can measure the distance between my subject property and the sales and indicate on the GIS?
Not currently, no. No, not automatically. There is actually a way. I can do a custom report for you, but you'll have to give me the exact parameters of what you're looking for. Yeah. So you want to see what the direct distance. Yeah. I'll have to think. Yeah. So what's the purpose of that query?
Probably they want to always see is your subject is sales, how far is it?
How far is it?
Normally if it's within 5 or 10 Ks, it's generic. You don't need the exact. It's not
Okay.
like,
Yeah, we can probably do like a buffer. Yes. Yes. Yeah, okay. I've got an idea for you. Yes. Sales. Yes. Just gonna. Okay. Yes. Okay. I've got an idea for you. I'll show you next. You can calculate. Yeah. I've got it. There's a different way that we can style it on a buffer. Yeah. Thanks for that. Let's see. Okay. So again, these filters are quite extensive, and you can now go and do various title deed searches. So if you have got names, if I just reset my filter, and you want to see all Transnet properties, okay, you can just type in Transnet and you say select, and it will go and find all your properties registered in the name of Transnet, and so there is a list of all the properties with the sellers like that.